Apply mixture created by these two ingredients will remove forehead wrinkles quickly. Wrinkles on the forehead that can make you look much older than the real age, but there are many reasons to believe that the wrinkles on the forehead can be more than only aesthetic problems. These wrinkles may be associated with the risk of cardiovascular disease. To remove forehead wrinkles, there is a series of cosmetic treatments available to reduce the appearance of them, but most of them come with side effects. If you want to spend little money and still get amazing benefits, try this natural remedy. This remedy will surely surprise you, cause it can easily remove wrinkles on the forehead and make your skin flawless. Just have to do this simple but high effective remedy. You can remove wrinkles on the forehead, prevent premature aging skin, and regain your youthful appearance in a short time of application. You can do this at home in less than 30 minutes. The first ingredient you need is an egg. Separate the egg yolk and the egg white into two different bowls. With this method, you only need to use egg whites. Egg whites contain a lot of protein. It helps replenish the deficient protein in your aging skin, thereby lifting rejuvenating muscle and restore aging forehead skin, help the forehead skin smoother and firmer. Next is 2 medium-sized carrots. Peel the carrots, then chop them into small pieces and put them in the blender. Carrots contain antioxidants such as vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A helps prevent free radicals, prevents wrinkles on the forehead appearing. Vitamin C supports the production of collagen for the skin, which helps to inhibit the appearance of wrinkled forehead and prevent skin aging. When you're done, strain the carrot juice into the egg white bowl. You can use a strainer or muslin cloth to get more juice. Now you have carrot juice and egg white in a bowl. Use a spoon to stir them to dissolve them completely. Your Botox mask is ready. To use this mask, first wash your face with warm water to help the pores expand and cleanse the dirt. Then apply the mixture on your forehead skin area and leave it for 20 minutes. Combine with gentle massage for nutrients to penetrate deep into the skin. After that, rinse with cold water to tighten the skin pores. Consistently implement this natural method 3 times a week. Only after a short time of application, the wrinkles on your forehead will gradually disappear. they will no longer have the opportunity to make your face older. You should apply sunscreen or moisturizer daily to your skin for the best effect. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.